She tells you you're a good man. She says she loves you, but slowly her tone changes. She nags, she complains, she withdraws, and you sit there wondering, what the hell did I do wrong? Here's the truth. Women don't lose respect because of what you did. They lose it because of what you stopped being. I'm Malik Stone, and this is the Girded Frame. We don't chase approval, we restore masculine power. Today, I'm breaking down why women lose respect for the very men they say they love. Love and respect are not the same. She can love you and still disrespect you every day. Love is emotional. Respect is biological. It's about how she feels in your presence. Safe, grounded, led. Not because you raised your voice, but because you never needed to. Example, you show up, provide, stay loyal. But slowly, you stop leading. You let her emotions lead the home. You start asking permission to speak your truth. You avoid conflict to keep her happy. And every time you do it, a small piece of her respect dies. Not because she's cruel, but because her feminine can't trust a man who folds. Irene, she won't say this out loud, but she's testing you every day, not to be difficult, but to feel your strength. Test number 1, the emotional spike. She brings drama, not to ruin your peace, but to feel if you can hold it. If you match her chaos, she loses faith. Test number 2, the pull away. She gets cold, withdraws affection. She wants to see if you chase or stand still. If you collapse into anxiety, she knows you've lost the frame. Test number 3, the disrespect. She crosses a boundary, says something wild, not because she hates you, but because she needs to feel you'll correct it. Men think, if I let it go, it'll keep the peace. No, it creates war in her heart. Step 1, stop explaining, start leading. Masculine men don't over-justify. They say what is. They lead with presence. And step 2, ground the frame. Stop matching her emotions. When she's hot, you stay cool. When she's storming, you become the mountain. Step 3, reclaim your edge. Women respect men who own their life, who train, lead, decide, who set boundaries without asking permission. Mini role-play example. 11:30, 13:30. Voice slower, more dramatic. She raises her voice, calls you names, because you don't argue. You look at her, steady, calm, and you say, we don't talk to each other like that. If that's the tone, I'll step away. Then you leave. No begging, no explaining. You just lead. Later, she texts, softer, because now she feels safe again. You don't win respect by being nice. You earn it by being unchangeable under pressure. She doesn't want a yes man. She wants a man she can lean on when the world gets loud. Most men never figure this out. But you did. If this hit you deep, subscribe. Share this with a man who needs it. This is Girded Frame. We don't beg, we lead. And if she can't respect that, she's already gone. You don't win respect by being nice. You earn it by being unchangeable under pressure. She doesn't want a yes man. She wants a man she can lean on when the world gets loud. Most men never figure this out. But you did. Subscribe. Share this with a man who needs it. This is Girded Frame. Power, purpose, polarity. Follow for more Girded Frame.